Fly too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously I fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, me no know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not out the app. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my two trades on the NASDAQ 100. So I had one trade that was to the sell side that got knocked out within an hour. After that, later down in the day, about 5 hours later, I entered to the buy side. I was able to get into profits for a good majority of the day, and then I decided to move my stop loss to break even. When I moved my stop loss to break even or close to break even, when the market came down for liquidity, it knocked me out for a loss of $2 and then continued going up for the day. So I could have made more money if I didn't move my stop loss, and that's what I would say was my mistake today. I didn't lose a lot of money. I only lost $2 on that trade and then $19 on the other trade. So I made two trades, stuck to my strategy, made sure no more trades after that. I might make trades on different accounts, but this one, keeping the rule here, 2 trades, no more for the rest of the day. I'll show you where I entered, where I had my stop loss before, where I moved my stop loss to before the market came, hit me out and rallied for the rest of the day. Market moved up like, what, about $200 today. So this would have been a nice $350 on the day if I had held it and not moved up my stop loss. But you don't know when it's going to happen. It just happens. Sometimes you benefit from it, sometimes you don't. So I just lost from that today. But you look at my first trade, if we go down to the hour, and this is on Cairo time zone, we go down to the hour, you can see where the market opened, and that was at, let's say in 7 there. It's like something changed about this. Where's the Cairo time zone, right? 7. It seems like something about the time change, but no, 7 is market open. So 7 would have been the one candle here. I'm a little disappointed today as well because I didn't enter the market until like 7 minutes after open, and then there's no reason for me to do that because I was here, I was paying attention to the charts. So this is where my entry was. I'm not sure why this broker looks funny when it comes to Sundays. It's like it opens on MetaTrader 5 before it even opens on the trading view for you to kind of map it out. But you can look at other brokers that show the same index, and you can actually see that price is already moving. Because at 6 p.m. on Sunday, that's when the market basically opens and starts to move. So I'm going to put this a little higher. You can see that the market even cleared through that. So technically it's saying this is where I entered because this is Friday's candle. But this is where I entered. This is where I entered. My stop loss. Where's my stop loss? 17,400. Right? No. Entry at 17,373. 17,373.04. That's what's happening. It's a short position. It's because I'm looking at buys on the day. Okay. So here's the entry, 17,373. 17,373. What's wrong? 17,373. 373.04. Wow, why is it doing that? Stop level is 17,400. Right? The profit level would have been 17,300. And then the entry is 17,373.04. So it's basically saying this is where I entered, and then I got stopped out here. But there's some discrepancy between the price here for some reason. That's why I can't really show it. But this is basically the entry where I got stopped out, because buys was basically the trade for the day. So we go 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's where I would have entered this trade. So go for the long position here. My entry was 17,436.34. Why is this looking so different? NAS100. I don't like this. It's just not showing the price how I want it to show. Okay, let's see if Black Bull matches it a bit. Sometimes these are off by a good amount, but let's see. So 7. $17,436. So this is showing. Man, this sucks. I know that it's 7 hours after market open. Maybe it's this one. Something is off though. And then I got, this is when I move my price to stop at the 16 candle. If this is 7, 16 is 17. 17. So my entry was here at 17,436.34. My original stop loss was at 17,400. So you can see my stop loss didn't get hit at all today. The max risk could have been about 45 though. I think that's what kind of concerned me about this position. And then you can see for the rest of the day, the market basically went nuts. Market has been continuing to the upside. Other than this small little red candle, you had a crazy move today. And if I just didn't move up my stop loss, I would have stayed in this. But because I moved up my stop loss, the moment it came back down, it just tagged me out. So that was a loss of $2. Overall, not a bad day. So tomorrow, I still have a bullish position on now. I think that should actually match. It's just something with the Sunday. Yeah, it's just something with the Sunday time zone on that broker. So right now, I'm in this trade now, looking to go to the buy side. This is where my stop loss is. And let's see what happens. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.